What's up, everybody? Chris here at Mountain Adventure Outfitters. I wanted to do I would say quick, but this is not gonna be quick because it takes a little bit to walk around. Run through of where we are right now. As far as August 5th, we have the RC meet and greet for our crawler park and track, short course, I guess, jumps, whatever, bashers, whatever you got. Here's a couple. There's a Summit that got donated by a guy. Super awesome guy, veteran. Shout out to you. We're gonna put your winch on and get that all dialed in. Ready for your Alaska trip, so that'll be fun. But back to it. And those of you that haven't been in our showroom, so we got some hats. Of course, all the moto built stuff. We're starting to get in some RCs. I got this Bronco body. Came off TRX4. Of course, you put a Jeep on it, so if anybody wants it, hit us up. And we'll get a price for some of the nice stuff. For the full-size Jeeps. All right, and then we got the map over here for those that haven't seen it. And it's got a lot of, you can kind of see it's marked in there. A lot of the Forest Service roads and trails and stuff to go camping. And then it's got like a number on it, so that one's number 7. And then you find 7. Over here, I think it's that one, and then boom, that'll give you an idea of what you're gonna find there on the map. And then hey, I don't know if y'all have seen these, but I got these Jurassic Park themed mountain adventure shirts for the kids and adults too. But let's get to it. Milo, let's take my walk. So, been hard at work on the RC course, crawler park, and we'll walk the whole trail and I'll show you all where I'm at on the track and get into the bamboo. So as of now, it's cleaned up a little bit. Got the weed killer out and the river. I've taken the piping down. Actually, we're gonna try and pull it from the creek by the time August 5th is here, so we can run it all the way back down. It won't be like full on river, but it'll trickle all the way back down, hopefully. So as you can see, a lot of people haven't seen. Got a tunnel, just put in this new bridge system. Pretty cool. I'm dubbing this back here Carnage Canyon. If you fall off of this, probably gonna have something broken. I like this right here. Weave up through there, come across, up, and then back across. Got some bridges. All right, but so the idea is the waterfall will come down, and then I've kind of dug it out right through here. And this is the pump and the piping, but it'll go through another section. I brought a whole lot of rock in. See the RC loop. And you follow these blue rotors, and I'll point them out where they're at. This is just some more of the obstacles here, and the water will come through here, trickle down, whether you go the bridges or not. And then let's see, there is the next one. So right in here, so this is where the full-size Jeep trail comes through. There's 2 spots over there, full-size Jeep right through here. Got a tree down, it'll be out of the way. So that's one thing I got to do on top of trying to get all this in. We got less than 2 weeks too. So right here I won't put too much because, like I said, the full-size Jeeps will drive right through here. There'll be 2 intersections in the RC loop with the full-size Jeep, so that'll be pretty cool. So we're gonna have the waterfall come and run. There's some more rocks I dropped in there, and the water will run down through here and then down there back into the creek, and then there'll be bridge system probably all the way down through this for those of you that like to keep your RCs dry. We got some steps that are crawlable right now. We'll walk the trails as well as the creek line. The trail goes that way. There will be like up on right behind the fire pit. There's a good spot to build another crawler course. I got 2 spots up here on the ridge too. I want to build a 24 scale park, but here's into the bamboo. I'll give y'all a little teaser of what's going on back here. So that's just a little fort me and the kids made. Probably when we first moved here. So in through here, let's make this real quick. we've been building. Camping has always been something I always want to make everybody feel welcome here. If you have like a 2-day build going on, camp for the night. Got a big deck back here in the bamboo. I'm gonna put a second level on it too. But you can set a tent up here. You got the fire pit. We're gonna put a fire pit in the bamboo right back here. Can't see it on the back side. You got the creek. You can kind of hear the river. That's just a little, no, I'm gonna put some bridges all through here too for the RC. But let's get back out of here and walk down the main trail. All right, so like I was saying, those blue, there's a gear right up here. And Dax and the kids been painting these, and you follow them, and that kind of helps you stay on track. There's a walking trail here, and eventually I want to put all rock obstacles on this side too. So those of you again that don't want to get in the creek, you don't have to. But I'll take y'all on the creek run. So you would come down to this setup right here, and then you can drop in and you can run down some rocks right there. You come back up and over and then run that side of the creek. And this just opened up literally like yesterday, the day before. I got another run coming up through here. I haven't even done it yet. And so, see, I'll keep my finger out there. Just gotta figure out how to get across here because that's kind of deep. But if you were to come this side, and then you would run up this area. There's your rotor. Follow it. Up those rocks. Across the bank. And really, whatever way you want to come across this waterfall. Again, the creek's full of rain, so do what you want. But if you come up here, you can come across here, step down, and then come up through the sand. It's always cool to see the little tire tracks in the sand. That's one of my favorite parts. Got the rotor. So we're gonna take the trail up along this shallow. Got some sand. Run it through here. I usually cut up this way and then come across. This is a fun spot. So it's kind of like this big V. And now with the water low, the water's actually super low. You tumble all the way down on all the way around. And then run up this all the way across the other side. I wanted highly to incorporate this rock in here. That's just super cool. Then perfect, Mila's on the trail. Yeah, exactly what she did. Do that with your RC. I'm gonna jump back up here on the main trails, walking trail. Again, I wanna open all this up a little bit better, so I'll bring the weed eater down here. Just more to do. So Mila's back on the trail. Yep. Up the center of the creek. She's on it. She knows where we're going. All right, well, instead of taking that, you come across these bridges and then boom, put the right. And you come up this old wall. So we've got a couple walls, just some cool stuff on the property. This is all here. You can see over there, there's 2 pillars. Used to be some irrigation that ran down through here for crops, a lot of farming. There's another good campsite like I was talking about, right down here on the creek. So then you follow your gears. We got more to put out, so that's the little, oh, there's another one up there. There is. So this is a cool spot. Coming up through here. Love that little guy right there. That's a fun one. There's a gear. I'll clean all this up again too. more rocks. There's a bridge system right there. But real quick, let's jump out to the short course track, pit bike track. All right, awesome berms, jumps. There'll be a lot of work on this. It will be very obvious on where the track is. There's a whoop section, you can't really see it. Tabletops, you can see a berm. And then this is a berm inside the back curve. But we'll get some cars running around out here. Trying to before the event, just to show a little bit of, but that's a lot of fun. All right, back to the crawler course. All right, like I was saying, got another cool climb right here, going up. Then you hook over to a bridge system made out of some logs for this one. Down the rock, some more wire bridge. Onto another bridge. This was cool, had a huge hump. Worked that into it. We're gonna come over here. This is almost like the final for now. So I haven't built any real obstacles, but like I said before, the full-size Jeep will cross with the RC Jeep. So there's that tree that was down, and the big Jeeps will come out of here and come up this section, and I'll weed eat it all and get all ready. But we're gonna double this for August 5th. So you'll take, I don't think there'll be as many full-size Jeeps as the RC event, but all the RCs will come up through here, all rock, and then we're back at the shop in the back side of the park. So it's just a whole lot of weed eating. I'm gonna keep building as much as I can on top of doing shop work and fabrication until then. But that's where we're at with the RC crawler course park, and I hope to see a whole bunch of you guys on August 5th. I'm really trying to build this out and have a whole lot of fun and just keep expanding from here. Thank you everybody for all the support. Anybody that wants to have any company banners or anything put down on the tracks, that's cool. We're all about it. We got a whole bunch of dirt bike ones down there right now. The RC's picking up, and hope to see you guys on the 5th. Y'all have a good day.